How to install the marquee. A powered screwdriver. A 5/16 drill bit. 2 13mm wrench. A white pen. First, separate the plates, screws and nuts that came with the marquee. Place the correct plate on the left side off the marquee, just like in the video. Fit the screws and nuts. Now, using the 2 13mm wrenches, tighten the screws and nuts. Repeat the same process on the other side. Ask an assistant to position the marquee in place as centrally as possible. While they hold the marquee in place, mark with a white pen the spots to be drilled. With the powered screwdriver and the 5/16 drill bit, drill the marked spots. Ask your assistant to hold the marquee in place again. Place the screws in position. Open the top door of the coaster and place the nuts on the screws. Now, tighten the screws and nuts using the 2 13mm wrenches. Repeat all the process on the other side. Pass the marquee cable through the hole found at the top of the coaster. Now, the marquee is ready to be powered on. Watch our other video on how to do this.